going for hiking. Hiking. Yep. We are going up there. We are going up there. In a scale of 1 to 10, how much energy left?
About an 8.
8. Oh, it's...
Is she bad?
No, we did.
So we're taking a subway to Xinghai, Xian Road. We're gonna take a transit to another metro. Transit. Wow. Now you get a stand. You're sitting on the first place, now we're standing. Now we're standing. Okay. And we're gonna close. Okay. No. Hotel. Okay, chill here while waiting for the others. Yep. So late, look at her. Look at her, so late, so late. How are you? Oh, lady from Kenya.
Yes.
Wow.
I just also.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, today your phone is dressed up. Look at that. Those Nikes. Wow.
From Kenya. I bought from Kenya.
Yeah, she's been from Kenya, by the way. Yeah, she's a vlog, you know. Exactly. So anyway, let me introduce to my friend over here. His name is Yasir.
Oh, I saw there's some people from Shenyang.
From Shenyang?
Oh, wait, hold on. Where are they? What's your name?
Shenyang? Yasir?
Huh?
Yasir?
Yasin?
Yasir.
Yasin. Yasin.
They happen to know each other, I don't know how.
Okay. Wait, where from?
Tanzania.
Also Tanzania. Huh?
Yeah. You know Zanzibar, you know? Is it, what?
Habari, right?
Habari yako.
No, I just want to get the one on because the rest of them are fine. It's just the one broke.
See you, right?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
You guys say cheese, bro.
Gee, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, what's
Oh,
up?
what's up, bro?
Hey.
Hey, what's
You
up?
good? Hey. Yep.
Now we go.
This is Mika. Mika, this is Boga.
Boga.
This is Ann.
And right?
Yeah.
And
Everyone is taking memories in their own way.
Exactly.
That's the whole
in
crew.
case I don't make it, my mother will know.
My mother will know.
See.
You can show this.
Exactly.
I should take this
Mom,
to
this
her.
is where it started. You see the people who are with me, and something happens. It was them.
catch this one.
Okay, I'm catching that one. I'm catching that one. I got everything.
Let's have dinner.
That's Xinghai Square. Book. Yeah, cyclists are everywhere in the world. We are at the book. Okay, that's great.
So this one they built in 1999
Uh-huh.
to memory Dalian city for 100 years anniversary.
Okay, wait. On the century.
So they have the footprint. They have the people like, they have 1,000 footprints here of different kind of people.
For real? 1,000 footprints?
Yeah, there's one that is very special.
Wow.
What is this one?
That's a baby footprint,
No,
right?
you know, there's old time.
Yeah, at the centenary area at Dalian, the 1,000 feet. They start all the way from there and they come all the way from there. Wow, amazing, right? It's just to commemorate 100 years of Dalian. Anyway, it's a good place. Start up there, you can skate if you want, all the way back there. And that's the bridge. Woo! Showing the guy skating. You gotta go. Castle Grand Hotel. Woo! Like this type of thing. Dope.
When the girl is fashionable, sweet, and fire branded, Coca-Cola shaped. Hey!
My boy's making moves.
My brother, you know what's up?
Still on the move. Still on the move, bruh.
Hey!
It's still there, right?
Damn.
Talking on a scale of 1 to 10, what's the energy left in your body right now?
I'm still like, I'm still like 10. I'm still like
You're
10.
still
Yeah,
at 10?
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. I'm good
okay.
with sports. So
Good.
I ain't giving up now. I ain't
good.
giving up. No, I ain't giving up.
Whoa, is that a Lambo? I think it's we're good. What about you, yourself? Like, still have energy left?
Yeah, I am. And I have extra energy.
Good. That's good for you. That's good for you. That's good for you.
That's far.
Hey, Taya,
Yay!
in a scale of 1 to 10, how much energy left?
About an 8.
8. Oh, it's starting to come down. Oh my God. That's what I feel. I think we're like a quarter way there up, so we're still walking and we're still going, and the view is so good. That's the good part of it. You're hiking in a very good environment, very satisfying. So we gotta go, we gotta catch up. Wow. The railings we're talking about, but like if you just take one of it, it can take you all the way up there. What the hell is that? You just got pointing at me? Who are you pointing at? Huh? Almost there. We gotta go all the way out there. Woo! Yo, go. Almost there. You wanna run? Hello. Really?
Wow.
Say hi. Whoa, say hi. Say hi, guys. Hey. Go. What's up? Bro, almost there. Yeah, I gotta confess, when I was down there, it looked so easy until I reached here. Bro. I'm coming.
And you still wanna climb Mount Kilimanjaro.
This is the cup.
This are just now the hills.
Go to Mount Kilimanjaro after this. Bro, you know Mount Kilimanjaro? Exactly. So then, actually, I'm planning to go there. Now I'm just asking myself, like, if this makes me breathe like a dog. Wow. Look at this view. So amazing. It's so amazing. Wow. We are going over there. Guys, people are still coming slowly. That's the view, like we're so far from them. Going over there. The series already so high up, you can barely see him. Still gonna make it. We gonna make it. No quitting. No quitting. So you reached here already? They're like 2 ways? Oh. Okay, there are 2 ways, right? And but I think it's this way. No, because the place is over there, right? The sharp, pointy building, right?
No.
I know, it's a must to sweat.
There's no point cleaning because you'll still sweat.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Actually, when you sweat, it means you're healthy. Yeah. If you don't sweat, it means you're lacking something in the body.
I think I have to take this.
Yeah, so are they like medical?
Yeah.
Oh. Then, which the food path?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well,
It
this
means
is
it's,
just. I think this is water.
Water flowing. Oh, yeah.
You get?
Like a sort of a river, something.
Yeah, and a mini ocean.
This is the footpath, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we get lost,
bruh.
we are following. But hey, let me go. The last video.
So we're here trying to figure out where we're going.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think bruh says this side.
We are lost.
Goba, right? Boga, right?
Boga, yeah.
Boga. So Boga says this side.
Yeah, he's, yeah, looks like, because if you look here, yeah, you know, geographers. Yeah,
right, you get an A in geography, right? For real. I couldn't break down such things. It makes sense. Now it will making sense.
Where Cochino? Is she tired?
Bruh, it's like you've been walking from Africa, you know?
Where is that other woman? Not this one, there's another one.
She says she wants to use the...
Oh, so she went there alone.
Bruh, it's okay.
Now we there.
Hey, you'll never forget this day. You'll never forget this day. Tyler, you look so fresh, by the way. No, actually, you look so fresh like you just did nothing.
Where's Mika?
What are you talking about?
Where's Mika? She's coming? Oh my god, Mika's... Wow. It looks so easy when you're down there. Uh-huh. Hey. Yeah, obviously. Oh, so that's the road down there. We were walking there some few minutes ago. Yeah, for real. Can a mountain bike you? Ouch. Okay. Damn, those stones. Oh, where's Mika? She wait for Mika. But she knows the way. Okay.
I wanted to confirm, is this the right way?
Wow. Oh, this is so nice. Halfway up. Halfway up, halfway up.
Halfway. This has to be more than halfway.
Actually, okay, maybe like 60%.
Yeah.
Those guys lie.
Like 60% maybe or something.
They have to be lying, yeah?
But it's been so far, it was so easy while we're down there, but now it's so far. It's so hard.
She's taking her time.
Okay, that's our captain.
Taking her time, bro. You said you're
Our
not
captain, she's back.
Captain, what happened? You're going this way, right?
Yeah, oh my gosh,
Coach,
can't
lead
even
the way,
talk.
lead the way, lead the way.
You can talk. We're gonna sing for her the motivation song.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You gotta sing the victor song. What is this place? Oh, this is where the roads intersect. The footpath and the car path. You gotta jump on it, bro. You gotta jump. Almost there, Mika. Get a keep on. Go. We made it. We made it.
Go down there.
Huh?
Then we can say we made it.
Go back down.
Yeah, go back down. I think they're empty.
It's empty? Yeah, they're happy.
Hello!
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 Hello! Almost there, almost there. You can see the tip over there, it's almost there. And this side you can see a very good view over here. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Imagine waking up in the morning every day with that view. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, so that's how the bridge interchanges, like with the roads, eh? Oh, you see that? There are like 4 roads. 4 roads and they join up to make 2 roads, eh? Oh. Wow.